Hello kids. Today we will learn about daily routine sentences. Welcome to Manushri and Mallar tutorial. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed up. I get dressed up. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I go to school. I go to school. I study in the classroom. I study in the classroom. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I eat my lunch at school. I eat my lunch at school. I come back home. I come back home. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I watch TV in my spare time. I watch TV in my spare time. I do my school homework. I do my school homework. I eat my dinner with my family. I eat my dinner with my family. I brush my teeth before going to bed. I brush my teeth before going to bed. I go to bed. I go to bed. Follow for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe.